Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Christmas isn't far away, so today we're making something festive and adorable, a Santa Gnome Suncatcher. This sparkly piece combines red, white, and crystal tones to bring Santa's cheerful spirit into your home. Before we begin, here are all the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here to check them carefully if needed. And if you'd like to use the same materials I'm using, you can find the DIY kit link in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Make the white beard. Cut 4 short pieces of wire or nylon thread, each about 10 to 15 centimeters, 4 to 6 inches long. Bundle the 4 strands together and pass them through the hole of the 30mm, 1.2-inch teardrop crystal. Center the wires, cross them, and twist 2 to 3 times near the top of the crystal to secure. Separate the strands. These will form Santa's beard hairs. On each strand, thread 1 white cone bead, 6mm near the base. Then add 4 to 6 clear crystal beads, 4mm. You can adjust the number depending on how long you want the beard. For a more natural effect, vary the bead length slightly from outer to inner strands. Attach a crimp bead at the end of each strand, flatten it with pliers to secure. Gently curve each strand outward so the beard fans out naturally. And trim off any extra wire. Tips: use clear nylon thread if you prefer a softer, more flowing beard. Mix in milky white or light blue crystals for a light reflecting shimmer. Don't twist too tightly. A gentle twist makes the beard look softer and more natural. Beautiful, Santa's beard is already looking fluffy and bright. Santa Claus. Step 2. Make the nose. Cut a 10cm, 4-inch piece of thin wire and pass it through the top hole of the teardrop crystal, right above the beard. Thread 1 pink or skin tone bead, 10mm, onto the center of the wire. Position the bead just above the beard. This will be Santa's nose. Twist the wire ends together 2 to 3 times to secure. Twist gently to avoid cracking the crystal, and you can add a tiny drop of clear glue for extra durability. Then trim any excess. Adjust the nose so it sits neatly and centered. Tips: for a festive touch, use a red or rose pink bead. It sparkles beautifully under light. Nice work. Santa's face is starting to take shape. Step 3. Make the frame and red hat. 1. Create the hat frame. Cut a 70 cm, 27.5 inch piece of 0.8 to 1 mm wire. Pass it through the top hole of the teardrop crystal. Cross the ends. And twist 2 to 3 times to secure. Straighten both ends, then bend them slightly outward to form a slim triangular shape. This is the base of Santa's hat. Tip: for a natural look, bend the hat slightly to one side. Santa's hat often tilts a bit playfully. Two, make the red bead rings. Cut about 10 short wire pieces, 2.3 inches each. Each will form one red bead ring. For the first ring, the hat's base, thread 14 red beads, 6 millimeters. Bring both ends together. Twist to close. And trim the excess. Hide the ends between beads. Continue making smaller rings, reducing bead counts gradually, 13 to 12 to 11 to etc. to 4 beads. The smallest ring, 4 beads, will form the tip of the hat. Three, assemble the hat. Slide the red rings onto the hat frame in order from largest to smallest. After each ring, adjust the beads to sit neatly and evenly. Once all rings are stacked, bend the hat frame slightly to the right for a cute tilted look. 4. Add details and finish the hat. On each hat frame wire, thread about 7 red beads on the inner wire. Thread about 8 red beads on the outer wire. Secure both ends with crimp beads. Trim any extra wire. And form small loops using round nose pliers. Five. Make the pom-pom. Use an eye pin. Thread 1 white crystal bead, 10 millimeters, and form a small loop at the top. Attach it to the hat tip with a jump ring. Now Santa's red hat is complete, so cute and festive. Step 4. Finish and decorate. Add the hanging chain. Use a large jump ring to connect 2 hexagon crystals and a short chain for hanging. Attach this to the top of Santa's hat. It adds sparkle and keeps your suncatcher balanced. Arrange the beard strands so they fan out naturally. Curve the hat gently to one side for a cheerful, playful look. Make sure all beads are aligned and even. And that's it. Your Santa Gnome Suncatcher is complete. Hang it in your home to brighten up your holiday season, or wrap it up as a handmade gift for someone special. Amazing job! Your Santa looks absolutely magical. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crystal Flair for more festive DIYs. And as always, keep shining.